Hey ladies, it's me, April. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do some Halloween nails. If you follow me on Instagram, I do every Sunday and Wednesday I post a new Halloween theme. Today is going to be It, the movie. Okay, so I've already had painted my nails, as you can see here. And these are the polishes that I am using. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add glitter on both index and pinky nail. And the glitter that I'm gonna be using is this one here. It has holographic black in there and red. And it has a bunch of different size glitters in there. And this one is from Glittertasty, and this is called Wrapped. Okay, so I always use a sticky base coat for me to adhere the glitters on regular nail polish. And Orly Bonder is the one that I always use mainly most of the time. I even have like a huge refill bottle of that. It's pretty cool. I like it. I got it off of eBay. Okay, so we're just gonna put just a little bit of dab on my stamping plate here that I got from Apipila. And when you're putting like chunky glitter, just make sure, let it dry just a little bit before you touch it, and just like kind of smush down all the glitters so you don't have any glitter sticking up. So it would be a little bit better once you put the top coat and none of the glitters are like sticking up. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this, and this is how the glitter looks with acrylic. I really, really love this glitter. It's so darn pretty. I hope you guys like it. So I had moved my hand so I can see it a little bit closer, and I noticed I needed more glitter on my index finger, so that's what I'm going to be doing again. Just adding some more glitter on top of that. The top coat that I'm going to be using for the glitters is Jealous. I got it from Sally's, and I'm just going to put it on my index finger and my pinky. It's a little bit thicker. It's actually a lot thicker than regular top coat. So it would help out with the glitters to not make it look so bulky and, sticking up or anything. It's good for glitters. This is the latex that I'm going to be using for my middle finger. I just don't want, any nail polish to be on my skin. I just want less cleanup. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start working on the two nails. The first one I'm going to do is the yellow one. I am putting down, I believe is Catwalk Concrete from China Glaze. And this is a brush that I have. I know it looks kind of like ugly, but this is the brush that's always perfect for me to do like sponging down like that, you know, like dabbing. And so it's already like kind of curved already the way I like it. So I mean, this is the only brush that I use to do it that way. It's kind of like a small dabbing tool, you know. I just love it. So what I'm going to be doing is just dabbing some of the dark gray polish all around my nail to have it like kind of like a dark feel to it. All right, so let's go ahead and work on the other nail. And I wasn't even going to try to do Pennywise, so I popped out my Dixie plate that had him already on there, and I'm using Braised Divas nails for the stamping. Swipe, roll, clean up, then put on the nail with the clear jelly stamper. All right, see? Better than freehand. Easy peasy. All right, so I'm gonna be working on my thumb, and I'm gonna be doing it again with the concrete catwalk gray around the white to have that shadow, you know, creepy feel to it. That's what I'm doing now, and then I'm gonna be having the stamping plate out again to do splattered blood. Okay, so I did it the first time and it just didn't come out right, so that's why I'm redoing it again and having a little bit more black in there, or dark in there, so the blood can look a little bit better and not so sheer. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and work on the ring finger now, and we're going to go ahead and put in black letters losers, and on the S we're going to put a red V. With this I'm going to use black acrylic paint. This is like the only time that I'm using black acrylic paint. Alright ladies, so what do you think so far? I'm not done with it yet. I still want to put some shadow with Pennywise to make it even look more creepier. I like the shadowing. It just makes it look a little bit better. And then I forgot that I had still red on my brush, So I'm trying to clean that up right now. My fault. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put another layer of the jealous top coat on the 2 glitter nails. Now it's time for some Sesh Beat top coat, and we're just going to go ahead and top all the other nails now. And then since the index finger and ring finger is done drying, we're going to go ahead and put Sesh Feet on those 2 nails as well. Okay, so we're almost done. I just want you to see how my nails looked before I put the balloon and the it word on my pinky. Okay, and I'm using red acrylic paint for the balloon. I said, you know what, might as well. I'll just use the red acrylic paint because it was more opaque. So I'm just gonna do the balloon in that and also the word it. Alright, so here are my nails. They are finally finished. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this, give me a thumbs up and also a subscribe if you haven't yet. And thanks guys, and share the love.